This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into Facebook, then open Settings and Privacy and go to Security and Login. This gets you where two-factor options live. Make sure Google Authenticator is already installed on your phone so you can scan codes immediately. Once on the Security and Login page, find the Use Two-Factor Authentication section and click Edit. This begins the link process. Be ready to confirm your Facebook password when prompted, because Facebook asks for re-authentication before changing security settings. Once done with your password confirmation, choose Add a New App or Authenticator app from the two-factor options. Facebook displays a QR code and a manual key. Open Google Authenticator, tap the plus sign, then scan a QR code to capture Facebook's code. If your camera won't scan, select Enter a setup key and paste the manual key instead. After adding, Authenticator creates a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. This dynamic code proves ownership of your phone to Facebook. You now type the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Facebook's verification box and submit. Once accepted, two-factor authentication is active for your account. Make sure to download or copy the recovery codes and store them somewhere safe, and consider adding a backup phone number for account recovery. If Facebook rejects the code, sync your phone's time in the Authenticator app settings. Time drift is the usual culprit. Then try the code again. Congratulations! You've linked Google Authenticator to Facebook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.